At the lumber yard. Someone's very frugal. This is old. And they're still using it to haul things around. They're not babying it at all. I'm going to go inside, see if anyone can tell me any information about it. Love old cars like this. 1928 Ford Model A pickup. It's an open cab pickup. They were originally available only as kits through Ford, and you had to go to the factory to pick them up. Ford made all kinds of kits. Some of them were available in other areas, other places, but the pickup truck you had to go and pick it up, which I am told is why pickup trucks got their name. They had to be picked up. So the day you picked the truck up from the factory...
The bed boards were not clear-coated, nice-looking lumber like this. They were actually painted the same color as the truck.
And oh, okay.
Yeah. The battens on the boards, this is called a batten and board truck bed. So, we do that because we like the look.
Yes,
but
and
it's
it looks
not
very
original.
Looks very nice. And you built this
I
too.
built the box because there's no place in open cab pickups to secure anything. So if you want to take tools with you and you don't want them stolen out of the bed of the truck, you have to have something like that anchored into the truck.
And that was actually, the boards were actually the crate, this came in at the factory and you had to go to the factory and pick it up.
Yep, originally, yes.
That is really cool. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. This truck has the original engine in it, but it's bored to keep up with traffic. You can go 55 miles an hour in it, and of course back then you couldn't.